It's been 3 days and this prophet has yet to show himself. I hope I'm not making a huge mistake by trusting him.
War Chief, the clans are assembling as you ordered, but it will take them some time to reach us.
Then we must prepare this camp immediately. I want my warriors to have food and proper lodgings when they arrive.
Yes, War Chief.
Warrior, has there been any word from Hellscream? He and the Warsong clan were supposed to have been here by now.
No, War Chief. We haven't heard from Hellscream in some time.
Damn it, Hellscream. Where the hell are you?
Something need doing?
The spirits are restless.
The blinking button at the top of the screen indicates that your quest journal has been updated. To find out more about your objectives, click on the quest button.
Lokrigar Nogal.
Once a peon has been ordered to harvest gold, he will automatically travel back and forth between the gold mine and your closest great hall. Here are a few additional peons. To increase the rate of gold collection, order them to harvest from the amount of gold that you currently possess is displayed in the upper right portion of your screen. As peons return to your great hall with gold, your gold stockpile increases. Training a unit takes time. When your great hall is selected, you can see a progress.
Yes.
In order to support a larger population, additional orc burrows will have to be constructed. Burrows provide the food that allows you to train more troops. To construct a burrow, select one of your peons.
What do you want?
Now click on the Build Structure button in the command card. To increase the rate of which you collect lumber, train additional peons and assign them to harvest from the forest. Notice that additional buttons are now available in the command card. To construct an orc burrow,
The spirits are restless.
In order to produce additional buildings, you must gather more lumber from the nearby forests. To harvest lumber, select a peon and right-click on a nearby tree.
Let's get on with it. For honor. Yes.
Ready to work?
Yes. For honor. None will survive.
Something need doing?
Lokrigar Nogal.
Ready to work?
Dabu. For honor. Yes.
Work complete. Yes.
Let's get on with it.
Work complete.
For Doomhammer! For honor. Lokrigar.
Now that your peon has been assigned to gather lumber, he will automatically travel back and forth between the forest and your closest great hall.
The spirits are restless.
War mills contain various upgrades that can be researched to improve your troops. To see what upgrades are available, select your war mill. You have just placed a rally point for your structure. Whenever a unit finishes training from this building, he will automatically travel to the rally point's location. To place a rally point, select one of your unit-producing structures and right-click on the ground where you want the rally point to appear.
I am the War Chief.
What do you want?
All available upgrades appear as buttons in the War Mill's command card.
The spirits are restless.
Continue producing grunts until you reach your quest requirement.
My life for the Horde. Something need doing? What do you want?
Lokrigar Nogal.
Yes. What do you want? My life for the Horde.
Lokrigar Nogal.
Huh?
Yes? Let's get on with it.
Research complete.
Something need doing? Can't build there. I can do that. My life for the Horde. Work complete. What do you want?
We need more gold.
Master? I am the War Chief. The spirits are restless. For the Horde. The spirits are restless. Something need doing? Work complete. My life for the Horde.
Research we need complete. More gold.
You orcs are in violation of the Alliance Internment Act. We've already captured one of your leaders. If you surrender now, we'll spare your lives.
War Chief, they say they've captured one of our leaders. Maybe they're referring to Hellscream.
I hope not. But if they have captured Hellscream, I'll make them regret it. Loktar Ogar! Come, my warriors! We must drive the humans back! Let's get on with it. My life for the Horde. No God. My life for the Horde. I am the War Chief. Lokrigar Nogal.
The wretched humans have been destroyed.
Move Thrall and the rest of your forces across the bridge, such as the one located here.
Chief. Yes? Dabu. Yes.
One of your structures was damaged during the fight. To repair a damaged building, select a peon, click the repair button, and then left-click on the desired structure.
I am the War Chief. My life for the Horde. Dabu. For honor. Lokrigar Nogal. Loktaros. Let's get on with it. My life for the Horde. Lokrigar Nogal. Yes. For honor. Dabu. I am the War Chief. Master? Time to die. The spirit, my life for the Horde. Loktar. Yes? My life for the Horde. What do you want? Lokrigar Nogal. Yes. None will survive. For honor. Dabu. My life for the Horde. Dabu.
What you want?
I am the War Chief. Let's get on for the Horde. Yes. The spirits are restless. Yes. Let's get on.
When you control multiple spellcasters at the same time, it often becomes necessary to quickly switch between them to cast their individual spells. By using the subgroup interface, you can do so without having to try to select them individually.
Build more burrows.
Notice that the currently selected units are displayed in the bottom middle portion of your screen by little portraits. One of the unit portraits is highlighted with a yellow glow. This means that it is the currently activated subgroup. You can switch between subgroups by pressing the Tab key or left-clicking on one of the portraits that is now highlighted. This activates that subgroup and displays their spells in your command card. Your army has grown to such a large size that it now requires a portion of your income to sustain it.
Yes.
This maintenance cost is referred to as upkeep.
Work complete. My life for the Horde.
I am the War Chief.
How can I help? War Chief, we've found where they're holding Hellscream, but the area is protected by fortified guard towers.
Then destroy them. Hellscream must be freed.
Master?
Let's get on with it.
Yes? Dabu.
I am the War Chief.
Work complete.
For honor. The spirits are restless. Your time has come.
Master?
Lokrigar no God.
What do you want?
I am the War Chief. Hellscream, are you all right?
I'm fine, little brother. Luckily, they only injured my pride.
Great, because we're getting out of here now. We're leaving the human lands for good.
Finally, follow me. I have an idea. We can set sail on the humans' own ships.
Perfect. But we'll need to wait for the rest of the Horde.
The Horde is assembled, War Chief. We await only your command.
Now, go, young thrall. Sail west to the lands of Kalimdor. It is there that you will find your destiny. It is there that your people's salvation will be assured.